Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I got these results using my oil mix, keep watching. So this is my Pre-Poo oil mix, and it contains olive oil, coconut oil and castor oil. So I start out by adding 1 ounce of olive oil to the bottle, and then I add 1 ounce of coconut oil to begin to create the mixture. And lastly, I add a ½ ounce of castor oil. When the mix is complete, I'll be adding the bottle to a mug of hot water to heat the mixture. Now I've already done the first half of my hair, so I'm just demonstrating how I add the hot oil, not really hot oil, warm oil to my hair. I start off by thoroughly detangling my hair. It is very important that you properly detangle your hair so that you don't get any snags or rips throughout this process. So hot oil treatments are very beneficial at adding moisture and shine to your hair. It also increases hair elasticity, and it also aids in preventing excess dryness during the shampooing process. Now I'll be splitting this section in half and just putting the back portion up into a clip so that it's not in the way of the front portion. Now I'll be applying my oils. I start at the ends of my hair and make sure that they are thoroughly saturated. Then I move on to adding the oil mixture to my roots, and I kind of massage it in as I go so that I get a scalp massage while I add the oils. Now I'll be bringing the oils down the shaft of my hair. I saturate the remaining portions that did not get oils from before, and I make sure to smooth the oil through and massage some more so that all the strands are covered at the end of this process. Now I'm just twisting up the front section and clipping it away so I can start working to the back. And I'm going to repeat the process where I start at my ends and then move towards the roots of my hair and down the shaft of my hair, making sure that this section is thoroughly saturated with the warm oil. I use this as a pre-poo before every single wash day, and I've definitely been seeing the great results my hair has been having. My hair is less dry. I've been noticing a lot of shine. My hair has been so shiny and I've been really enjoying that. Now I'll be twisting up the back section and adding it to the front and putting both of these sections towards the top of my head so that nothing is hanging down and in my face, and they can both be tucked away securely. I had some extra oil remaining, so I'm just adding this down my center part. I do wear my hair in the center part quite often, so I want to make sure that this also gets some good treatment and massaging. And then I'm also adding it to the exposed ends of each of the two sections. I'm gonna cover my head with a plastic grocery bag. You can just use any plastic cap, or you can just use a grocery bag. I use a grocery bag because it's easier, more convenient, and my head actually fits under these. This just helps to insulate the heat from the oil, and it helps the oil penetrate into your hair strand. I'm also going to add an additional cap over the plastic bag for more insulation, and I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 20 minutes and then continue with my wash day. And these are my results, guys. I absolutely love how my hair turned out. It's so moisturized and fluffy. I really enjoy doing this pre-poo. Let me know if you also use hot oil treatments in your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.